Read the SAP status bar on Power Automate Desktop is what we'll learn on today's tutorial. So I've already created the flow, and here we have the attach action to get the SAP instance that is required on SAP dedicated actions. And now here, let's use the get details of SAP UI element, which first requires to know the SAP instance to target that we are getting from the attach action, but also that we can get from the launch SAP 1. Then we have to provide the SAP element ID, so the element ID of the status bar, and that's where we will find now a small issue. So if we just use here the select SAP element feature, we can see if we try to overhear the status bar that is not possible to target it. So you can see that we can basically target here any cell, any field. However, if we try here, it doesn't work. So if we just do anyways a click, we get this element ID, but we will see that is not really targeting the part from the status bar to get data from it, like the text or the message type. So if we here just try to get the text from the element ID, from this element ID, so let's save and run to see the output that we'll get. We can see that we get an error, and so that was not possible to extract the text. So here we have to manually pass the element ID, which is this one, so window on 0, so the primary window. So if we had other windows, we will have here and target a different one. We could do it by changing here the index. And then here S bar for the status bar. So we want to target on the primary window the status bar. And now if we save and run, we can see that we are able to get the text from the status bar. Now there is other thing, that is how to get the message type, because many times you might want to know the message type to know if an action was performed successfully. So like creating a purchase order, by getting the message type you can know if it was a success or if it has failed. So for that, I'll just here get the script part that will allow us to get the message type. So here let's just comment disable this action, and let's use the run bb script action. And now let's paste the script to run. So basically it attaches to the running SAP instance, and then from the status bar we'll get the message type. So let's save here, and also we can just comment here the attach action, because here we are doing already that inside of the script. And now let's run. And here we can see that we got the message type. So S, it's for success, which is the case here on the purchase order creation. So now let's just simulate here something that is not valid. So let's put here just invalid vendor, a vendor that doesn't exist on the purchase order creation. And now let's just try to save. So let's just here close. And we can see here that we got this exception error type message. So now if we try to run again our flow, we'll see that we got a different message type. So E is for error. And so that's basically it. We have learned how to read the text from the status bar and also the type of message. And so if you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel and enable notifications bell so you don't miss any tutorial released here on the channel.